Assalamu alaikum everyone. Greeting of peace to all of you brothers and sisters. So today guys, it's gonna be a different vlog once again because today we're going to have a review about one branded lipstick that we found actually in the market. So today is gonna be high end. Yeah, I'm not really sure. Yes, and yeah, it's all about a lipstick. So yes, actually yesterday we have been to Al Hawaj store, and yes, we find out that there's a lot of discounted products over there. So we did not waste time and we just attacked Al Hawaj, and my friends got some foundations and all of these type of cosmetics because it was on 80% discount. Yes, and for me I choose one which made me intrigued about. And yes, actually today we're going to test the capacity of this Lipfinity lipstick to find out how it does to our lips. So yes, without further ado, let's start it. Here you go, guys. Yes, so today we're going to test the Max Factor X Lipfinity Velvet Matte. So we got this. What type of color is this? The shade? Actually, the original price of this is 8BD. So if it's in Philippine peso, maybe it's around 1,000 plus, 1,100, something like that. So yes, medyo mahal siya, guys. It's a little bit expensive if we convert it into Philippine peso. But since it is in dinar, so it's quite acceptable. Yeah. So yes, we got this for 2BD only. Yes, yes, you hear that. 2BD only because of 80% discount. So I don't know what type of, what type of shade is this, but I like it because I feel like it's gonna be it will complement my skin tone to the shade of this lipstick to our lips. Yes, parang magulo. Yeah, iko-complement niya, guys, yung kulay ng ating balat sa ating labi. Yes, so let's start it, guys. Medyo ano siya, ano ba to? Naka-tape siya. It has a tape and it's well secured. So we'll just remove it, guys, and get back to you. Kind of struggle for us, guys, to remove the tape because it is really stick to the, to the lipstick itself. Yeah, to the packaging. So yes, finally. And it is written here, guys, 24 hours. Yes. I just got this on this way. There is no, there is no box on it. It's not like another type of lipstick that you can find in the market that it goes with the lipstick, similar with the lipstick I bought in Philippines. It has a very nice packaging, but unfortunately, we lose the chance to do the to do the review about it. But next time, inshallah ta'ala, if I find the chance to go for vacation once again, inshallah, we will buy the same brand of that lipstick because I really love that lipstick so much, and we will do the review once again. So yes, there's nothing written on here. There's nothing special, guys, aside of this Lipfinity Velvet Matte. So it is 24 hours. Let's see if it will last 24 hours. So this is how it look like, guys. The brush is very simple. There is no there's nothing special, so we'll just shade it. Yes, this color is actually a little bit bloody, that's why I love it. And yes, if you do not know, guys, I really love the blooded red. I don't know why. I feel like, you know, it complement to my skin tone, so that's why I choose this. They have a lot of varieties of colors. There's like a matte as well, but I did not like that because I feel so dull if I put the matte lipstick, like rosy, something like that, or peachy. It does not complement my face at all. I look like a gay whenever I use those lipstick. That's why I don't usually use those type of colors. Yes, so here, this is the shade of this, and we'll start putting it now. Actually, I'm planning to drink a coffee, but we want to know how it does to our lips. That's why we're going to put it first. Yeah, actually this is my first time using this type of lipstick. Usually I used to buy the bar one, yeah, which you can easily, you know, spread because it look like a pencil. But this one, it has a brush. So it's new for me, guys. I think it's fine. So yes, guys, here we go. This is how we look like, and I guess we put it nicely, as you can see. Yes, and yeah, actually we're going out today, and inshallah ta'ala we will update you on the time to time situation of our lips in order for us to identify and to know how it does to our lips, if it will keep the promise of 24 hours to our lips. So stay with me, guys, stay tuned, because we'll update you later on. Okay, bye for now.
2,000 years later.
Ay, naka-record. So guys, we just reached to Manama, and as you can see, nagagawa kasi ako ng review about sa lipstick. We still look fresh as of now. How many hours? Oh, it's just like 30 minutes ago. Reviewing 30 minutes ago. Mabango. Hindi gaya kanina. Hello guys, so here we are in the Karak shop. Yeah, we're having a Karak. We just had a quick break. She's refilling her lipstick because it's gone when we ate in the KFC. As you can see, there's no changes on my lips, even though I drink a Pepsi. It's quite hot. It's really hot. Thank you. Ang gaganda ng ano, guys. Ang gaganda talaga ng mga ano dito. Ang cute. Ang gaganda. Ito caterpillar, but it said it's panda. Ang cute nito. Oh. So here we go, guys. It's been like 4 hours since we, you know, applied our lipstick, and here we are. I ate food already since before, and we had a Karak as well, but as you can see, guys, our lipstick is still intact to our lips, and it seems like there is no changes at all. Look at this beautiful uh, area here. It's really pretty.
2,000 years later.
Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we just reached home actually. Time check, it's already 11 o'clock, and yes, it's 11 o'clock already, and we had eat in the KFC, and we drank a karak. But look at that, guys. I actually applied this around almost 6 o'clock, and I drank water even, but it's still intact to our lips, as you can see. So yes guys, I feel like it's gonna go far. Yes, and yes, it's been 5 hours, but until now it haven't changed, guys, as you can see. So yes, the final verdict has come, even we did not reach the 24 hours at as it has promised to us. So yes guys, my verdict is, first let's go to the positive side of this uh Lipfinity Velvet Matte. So as you can see guys, it haven't changed anything. Even as I told you earlier that we had a karak, we are using the straw, but it's still on our lips, and it did not change anything. It's still red, the lines is here, it shows very clear in front of you. This is the thing I love, and it kept the promise to have a long velvet matte effect to our lips. It's really complement my skin as what I feel before I applied this matte lipstick. And the smell is good because it is fruity smell. I just cannot explain what type of fruit is that, but it is actually like a mix of berries. Yes, and yeah, I like the packaging. I mean the bottle itself, because it's very handy. Yeah, and you can bring it anywhere, and it's just like a rotatable. It's so easy to use at all. And the applicator is also good because it has a very small foam which you can easily apply to your lips and make a line, because there's a um pointed tip, so it's very easy to spread all over. And it's look very sassy at all because of the gold color. Yeah, and it does not spread to our teeth, because most of the most of the matte lipstick, sometimes it is like a paint. It used to spread even to our teeth, and as you can see, our teeth is very neat and clean. And one thing more I really love about this matte lipstick is it did not spread all over here. Even though I drank water, I drank tea, I drank Pepsi, it did not spread here. Usually when we are using the normal lipstick, guys, it used to spread all over here whenever like we are taking some fluids, but this one, it's still intact. Yeah, doesn't have like here and there, no, nothing. So yes, that is the thing I really love about this matte lipstick. And Yes, let's go to the negative, or yes, negative side of this lipstick. The only thing that I have complained about this is the dryness. Yeah, I never expect that this matte lipstick is very dry once after you apply this matte lipstick. If you will use this matte lipstick, make sure that you will use the lip gloss as well, because the lip gloss will give a shine and define color to the lips. You will not look so dull, or you will not look so fake. Yeah, that's what I did. I put my Dr. Rachel lip gloss after I apply this one. So it will not, it will not mm, make my lips very dull and have some cracks here. See, there is a crack here because of this. Yeah, but since I put the lip gloss on it, it's actually lessen the fine lines, the lines over here, the dryness of um, our lips because of this, by using this product. Yeah, and all in all, I will rate this lip finity velvet matte as 8. Yes, not really bad, and not very good at all. It's just like in the middle. Yes. So it was an amazing journey with us. 5 hours using this doesn't change at all. So yes, guys, I recommend this to everybody who's going to, to travel, that want to be look fresh at all, and to those ladies who's, working in the office, or working in the restaurant, or even going to the party, because this is long lasting lipstick. So yes, guys, I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Noor channel, and press the notification bell down below so you get notified whenever I am uploading new video, guys. So till next time, maas salamat, bye.